Back to the news today, the U.S. Supreme Court issued a flurry of rulings, including an important victory for President Trump. Federal judges are no longer able to issue injunctions against the federal government following a 6-3 decision. The court ruled along ideological lines to limit the power of these judges, with the majority writing that the previous abilities were an overreach of power. As a consequence, a number of President Trump's executive orders could go back into effect, including an order declaring an end to the 14th Amendment's birthright citizenship clause. President Trump called the ruling an amazing decision.
It's been an amazing period of time this last hour. There are people elated all over the country. I've seen such happiness and spirit. Sometimes you don't see that, but this case is very important. I was elected on a historic mandate, but in recent months we've seen a handful of radical left judges effectively try to overrule the rightful powers of the president to stop the American people from getting the policies that they voted for in record numbers.
The liberal minority dissented in the ruling, calling the decision an existential threat to the rule of law. They joined other critics who worry that this could open the door to an excess of presidential power.
That's the chaos and the uncertainty that comes from the president's unlawful executive order. It throws this entire citizenship regime that we've relied on for more than 150 years. It upends it all and throws it into chaos and creates a considerable amount of uncertainty for states and how states regard people coming from other states.
The Supreme Court did not issue a ruling on the legality of the birthright citizenship order or any other executive orders. Those cases now return to lower courts with 30 days before this ruling takes effect.